Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you 20 things about me. I am Jasmine Teresa Fernandez. I'm born on the 19th of July 1996. I have two brothers, one older than me and one younger than me. That makes me the middle child. I have watched Friends over 6 times. Actually, Friends and The Office. And The Office is my favorite. My favorite color is teal. I have loved teal for way too long. I used to play a lot of basketball growing up. I pretty much was just when I was really young, I used to play a lot of sports, and basketball was one of them, and I loved that game so much. But I think once I broke my ankle, I kind of just stopped, and then I lost the whole touch of basketball. I kind of wasn't regular, and then I kept getting like something or the other kept coming my way, and then I just gave up eventually. I freak out so much when there's insects around me. Like I cannot function. If there's some insect nearby, I will make sure that insect's either out or dead or whatever it is, but I will not function till that insect is gone. I am a proper mix of my parents. Like my dad is this really fun person, like crazy person, like he is the life of a party. And then there's my mom, like she's very sensitive and very warm, and you can go to her for anything. Like yeah, she's crazy too, but like I mean in the sense that my dad is on the other level. And I have like a proper mix of that. Like I love looking after people, at the same time I actually love being crazy. And on being more original, I'm actually very awkward in person. I tend to be like very it's different. Once I know someone, then I'm like completely crazy, and then before knowing someone and being out in public or being out with friends, I'm like no, I cannot talk at that time. My friends named me Bugsy because of my eyes. It went on for I think 3 to 4 years. I'm not sure how long, but Bugsy was my name for a very long time, and it was only because of my eyes. I'm not that girl who loves chocolate. I hate chocolate. I hate sweets in general. I cannot eat sweets because I just don't like the whole taste of it. I don't like the aftertaste of it. But when it's the time of the month, I tend to eat chocolate only because I crave for it. But otherwise, like on a daily basis, I just don't like it. I'm not a sweet tooth, but I do have it once a month. But otherwise, I was a baker for 5 years. I worked in five-star hotels. I worked at cafes and blah blah blah. But I was a baker for 5 years, and I gave up that line because I really didn't enjoy being a baker. I didn't enjoy being in the bakery at all. It just gave me an uncomfortable feeling. I like baking as like a fun thing to do, but I didn't like it as a job because I wasn't actually very creative when it came to baking. I may have been good at it, but I was not putting in my 100% with it. I'm afraid of the dark. I cannot. I'm afraid of the dark. I hate the dark. Not even like if someone else is with me and it's dark, I still cannot function. I cannot do anything because I'm like so afraid of being in the dark. But I got a nightlight and I live alone, so that's funny. So I got a nightlight and I use that every night. I'm a very different person. I grew up being pretty much like a tomboy. I grew up with only guys around me. I had very few people who were girls. Like all my friends were just guys, and they were much older than I am, and I kind of grew up the tough way. I enjoyed it. I loved being the little girl in the group, and I loved the fact that I had most of the attention. But now growing up, I had to learn a lot of things like being girly and having friends and adjusting with other women, because it was very difficult for me to be friends with women. I always enjoyed the company of men and love the whole masculine kind of energy. So that was me. When it comes to spice, I am like crazy. I love spice. I even cut up chilies and I put them all over in my food. Like I put it in my dal, I put it in my vegetables, I put it in every single thing. Even garlic, but I love it. I just love how it tastes and I love the whole kick to it. So I'm crazy. So if you see, I have like really tiny ears and I have a tiny nose, and it's kind of weird because I have like big eyes and like a medium mouth, but like I just have like these tiny ears and I have a tiny nose. My favorite YouTuber is James Charles and Cody Ko. I was introduced to Cody Ko by a friend of mine, and ever since then, like as my pastime, I just watch him because I love the way he, I don't know, it's just something about him. He's like so original, he's so funny, he's very organic when it comes to like the way he talks and the way he behaves and the way he thinks. It's like it's just beautiful. I just love him and he's such a beautiful human being. James Charles. I really find him cute. He's so beautiful. I love watching his videos because I love his makeup. I like the way he carries himself, and I really love his whole flawless look, I guess. I just like it. I don't know. Growing up, I hated milk. I couldn't stand the smell of it. I just didn't like the whole texture. Like when I was a baby, yeah, sure, I loved milk and stuff. But then I guess once I came to know what really milk was, I was like, yuck. And I never liked having milk every day in the morning, and my mom used to give it and I used to always waste it. And over time, when I had to actually start having milk because I had a lot of deficiencies, I had to somehow get it in me. I didn't want to take tablets because I don't like it. So my mom like used to put like a pinch of like coffee and she used to give it to me, and then that's how I ended up liking coffee too. And yeah, so I became a coffee lover, a milk lover ever since, but then I hated it for a really long time. I started drinking milk at the age of 19. I'm a very old soul. Like, I'm not a very old soul, but I'm kind of an old soul. I like old music. I don't like the new generation music for some odd reason. I just don't enjoy it. I love listening to like the 90s and stuff, and I grew up listening to it, so it kind of has like a lot of old memories also. And I also love hanging around with people who are much older than I am, because the thing is, they've grown up very differently. Like they didn't grow up having iPods and phones and everything, and I like the fact that, you know, these people have gone, they used to cycle to meet each other, they used to go far away, and they used to go to lakes and stuff to have like their whole Sundays and stuff like that. So that's what I like to listen to, stories like that, and not like, oh yeah, I texted my friend and I met them here. Last but not the least, I am not like a daddy's girl, nor am I a mommy's daughter, girl, whatever it's called. I'm in the middle. Like I go to my mom for like a lot of advice. I'm very attached to her. And when it comes to my dad, I go to him for like a lot of business advice and a lot of like, I can just go to him and talk about anything, and we can have like long conversations and not have any feelings or not any, like, I don't know, with my dad I don't have those feeling connections, but with my mom I do. She kind of feels very sensitive, and that's what I like sometimes. So I have like, I love the attention from both my parents, so I cannot decide if I'm like a daddy's girl or if I'm a mommy's girl. I'm like in between. I love both of them equally the same, and that's 20 things about me. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and like, and I hope to see you in the next video.